Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, please take care of yourself because it's a time of infection and diseases. So children, don't move out from the house. Be inside your house, wash your hands properly and join our online classes and watch our videos because these videos and online classes are very helpful for you for understand the matter or subject, or many chapters are there in your books. So be very particular about your online class. Join your class regularly and watch videos. So children, this is the facilities provided by the school. So that is why we are requesting you to join the class regularly because this is mathematics, and if we are joining class regularly, so we can able to understand the topics properly. Okay children, so as you all know, we are already started few days back addition, and we just carry on this topic in our next videos also. So today we will learn addition with carryover. Okay, addition with carryover. Okay children, so children, as you all know, we have discussed in our previous class that how to carry over ones to tens. Okay, let's revise one more time because this is very important to revise or recall what we have studied in our earlier classes. So children, let's start. First we have done in our previous class so children, please see, 9 and 2 are ones. So we have to count it. Okay, 9 and 2, 10 and 11. So what we are getting over here? Answer 11. Here you can see this is ones and this is 1/10. Okay, so 1, because this is 1, so we will place in the ones column. And what we will do with this? We will just carry over to the tens because this is tens. That is why we are going to regroup with tens. Now, how many numbers are there? 1 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, now 1 and 3, 4 plus 2, 5, 6. So how many numbers we get? We get 61. Now here 6 tens and 1 ones. Okay, this answer we got. So children, this is the example of converting or transforming, or you can say transferring that carry to ones to 10. So children, let's move to the next thing that we will learn today, that we will learn about how to change, how to carry over ones to tens that we have already done. Now we are going to learn ones to 10 and tens to 100. How can we carry over ones to tens and tens to 100? So children, let's start doing this. For this, we have to erase the board, then we can start. Now children, as you all know, our first unit is ones, then tens, then 100. Okay? O stands for ones, T stands for tens, and H stands for 100. Now here you can see there are 3 units I have written, ones, tens and 100. So now we should start 1, 9, ones 9, 8 tens and 100. Okay. Now next we should write, what we will write the next line? 3 ones, 2 tens and 300. Okay. Now let's learn how to carry on or carry over ones to tens, tens to 100. Okay children. So first of all, for this we should count 9 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now here 9 ones, then 3 ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer we are getting over here 12. So now 2 is ones. Now here you can see 1 tens and 2 ones. Okay, we got. Now here what we will do? 2 ones, because this is 2 ones, that is why we will write over here, because this is tens column or this is ones room. That is why we will write 2 over here, 2 ones. So we will write 2 ones over here. Okay children. Now what is left? 1, because this is double digit number. That is why we are not going to put in this ones. Okay, double digit, and this is 1 tens. That is why it will be shifted over here. We will carry this with tens. So for this we just carry it 1. Okay. Now 8 and 2. Now let's count 8 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 2. Then what is there? 1 is there. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. What we are getting? We get 11 over here. Again double digit number. This is 1 ones and 1 tens. Okay children. Here you can see 1 ones and 1 tens. So what we will write? Because after adding this 1, we are getting 8 to 10 plus 11. Here 11 is there. This is more than 9. So that is why we will write only 1 over here. Then what we will carry to the hundreds? 1, because 1 is left. Here you can see 1 tens, 1 ones and 1 tens. So what we will carry to the next one? 3 and 1, 4, and this is 5. Okay children. So let's complete it, because this is an example. So what we will get? 512, because this is consider 100, because it is written. It is the sum of these two's number. So that is why it is called 500. And for this you can write like this also. 16 tens equal to 106 tens. Okay, 16 tens, it means 106 tens. So here you can see this is 6 tens. That is why we have to write 6 over here, and 1 will be transferred over here with 100, because this is 100. So 16 tens equal to 106 tens. So that is why 1 will be shifted over here. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 4. Okay children. So answer is 465. It means 400 65 is the answer. So 400 104 means 400 6 tens and 5 ones. Okay, in detail I have written, because 16, we get 16 over here, so 16 tens, it means 106 tens. So that is why we will shift, we will carry over here 1, and that will be included in hundreds. Okay children, now let's move to the next number. Few examples we will do for better understanding, because this is very useful for you. We are doing this carryover addition with carryover in 3 digit. Okay? Now next one. Okay children, now let's start doing this. 5 and 5, 10, yes, 10, the answer is 10. Now, answer is 10. Now what we will write? 0 ones, and this is 10. Now we will write over here tens, 8 and 6. So 10 we got over here. Now 0 we will write, and then this is tens. Okay, this is 0 ones and 1 tens. So that is why this is tens column. So we will write over here 1. Let's count 8 and 6. So first of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, because this is carryover. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 plus carryover. So this is 15. Answer is 15. Now 15 is answer. So how we will do this? Because 15 is there. So what we will write? We will write 5, because this is 5 tens and 100. Okay. So this is 100, 15 tens, this is 15 tens equal to 100 and 5 tens. Okay, the meaning of 15 tens is 105 tens. So that is why, because this is 5 tens, that is why we have written over here 5 tens. Now what is left? This is 100, because this is the symbol of 100. That is why we just write over here 1. Okay, this is called regrouping. Why regrouping? Because we are adding, we are carry over tens to 10 column, and we are carrying over here carry over 1. This is 100, that is why we are carrying over to the hundreds column. Now, so children, first of all 2 and 1, this is 3 and 1, 4. So the answer is 450. Okay, so we'll write like this also, 2 plus 285 plus 165. Okay, the answer is 450, children. So what we will write? 400 5 tens and 0 ones. Okay, so this is 400 5 tens and 0 ones. So you can do like this also. Now we are moving to the next one. This is 8 and 4. In ones place you can see 8 and 4 is there. So we will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then 4 plus 4. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 we are also having. So we just add 4 over here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer we are getting over here 12. So what we will write? This is ones, as you all know. That is why we will write 2 in the ones column. Then what is left? This is 1 is left. 1 is tens column because this is more than 2 digit. This is more than 9. That is why this is tens column. We will write 1 in the tens column. So here we will write, we will carry over this 1. Now 7 and 5. Let's count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count. This is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is we are getting? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again we will get 12. So what we will write, children? 2 will be there and 1. So what is 1? Again we should know. This is 12. Answer is 12. So here 2 tens and 100 because this is in the tens place. So 12 is the answer. So 100, 12 tens means equal to 100 2 ones. Okay, this is called 12 tens. 12 tens, 100 and 2 ones. Sorry, 2 tens. 2 tens. Okay, so that is why we will write 2 tens. This is 2 tens. That is why we are supposed to write over here 2 and then will be transfer or carry over with 100 because this is 102 tens. That is why we will add over here. This is 3, 2, 5 plus 1 is. Now how can we write answer? This is 600 22 in words. Okay, and now we will do 278 plus 354 equal to 622. Okay, we can do like this also, but the sum will remain same. Now here after this we will write in expanded form. We can write 600 2 tens and 2 ones. Okay, like this. Okay, children, complete it. Okay, children. Now I am going to write few more example to understand it better. So here in ones I'll write 9 and 5 and here 8 and 4. Okay, and in 100 I will write 1 and 3. Okay, first we will do this 9 and 5. Let's count 10, 11. Now let's count 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 9 and 5 is 14. The answer we are getting, the sum of these two numbers, two ones, that is 14. So here we are getting 110, 1 tens and 4 ones. Okay, 4 ones. Okay children, 4 ones. So we will write 4 1 with the 1 column in the 1 column, ones column. Now 1 tens. So we just carry over this. Okay, with tens. Now 8 and 4. 8 and 4 is 9, 10, 11 and 12. So answer is 12 plus 1. So what we will get? 13. Okay, 13. So 3 we will write over here. This is 30 tens. 13 tens. This is 13 tens. Okay children, 13 tens equal to 100. 3 tens children. Okay, okay children. So 13 tens equal to 103 tens. So that is why 3 tens we will write in the 3 tens column. Okay, and because this is 100, so we will write over here with 100, and what we will get? 314 plus 5. Okay, so 534. This is the sum of this example. Okay, so I hope it is clear. Okay, now we are moving to the next one. Next one, first we will write 9, 7 and here 7, 5 and here 5 and 2. Okay, now let's do 9 and 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 17. ठीक है, 15 and 16, sorry. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, the answer is 16. So now we will write 16, the 6 we will place over here because this is 6 ones and 1 will be carry. Okay, because this is 1 tens. Now 7 and 5. So 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Now 1 will be carry because 13 tens. 13 tens means, as we have discussed, 103 tens. So that is why 100 will be shifted over here because we should write with 100. Okay, so that is why we just shift over here. We will regroup this. So 5 and 2, 7 and plus 1 is 8. So sum of this example is 836. What we will get? 836. So completed children, 836. We just write it down like this also. 579 plus 257 equal to 836. It means 579 and 257 equal to 836. So completed children, and now we will do this also in the same way. 189, it means 189 plus 345 equal to 534. Okay, so this is 534. You can do like this also. Okay, children? Let's complete it or take a screenshot. And some homework we will do in our as homework. I'll give you some example we will write on the board, so you can do in your copy. So I am writing for homework. You just write it down in your copy. This is 3-digit addition with carryover. Okay? So practice it at your home. Okay? Now next, this is 1 number, this is 2 number, and this is 3 number. Ones, tens and 100. So children, write it down and complete it. So how can we do? First we will solve one. 8 and 4, 12. Yes, yes children, 12. So we will write 2 over here because this is 1 tens and 2 ones. So that is why 1 will be shifted with tens. 9 to 11, 11 plus 1. Okay, so 12 again. So 12 tens we are getting equal to 100 2 tens. Okay, so that is why we will write 2 over here and 100 will be shifted with hundreds column. 2 and 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. 422 is the answer. Now we will do first one, 9 and 5. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is the answer. So we will write 4 and 1 will be shifted over here because it is tens. So that is why 5 and 8, 8 and 5 what? 13, yes. 13 plus 1, 14. 14 we are getting. So 14 is the answer. 1 will be carried to the 100 because this is 100, 14 tens. So here you can see 104 tens. So that is why we will carry this 100 with 100 column. 3, 2, 5 plus 6. So answer is 644. Now we are moving to the next one. Here you can see 7 and 5. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So answer is 12. So we will write 1 over here. So this will carry with tens because this is 1 tens, 2 ones. So 4 and 9. So 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 or 13 and 1. 14, 14. What we will get? 14 tens. The answer is 14 tens. So this is 100. 4 tens. Okay, 104 tens, 14 tens. So here we will write, we will shift 1 over here. 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, So the sum of this example is 542. Now we are moving to the next one, 8 and 5. 8 and 5 is, yes, of course, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is the answer. So we will write 3 over here, 3 ones, because this is 1. So that is why we are writing in the ones column. Now 1 will be shifted over here. So 9 and 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 16. Okay. 16 plus 1 is 17. Again, I am explaining you. This is 7. This is 7 tens and 100. That is why we will shift, we will carry with this 100, 1. So here 4 and 3 is 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, it's quite simple, but we should practice it. Without practice, we can't carry it easily. We can forget also. So always remember the carryover, because this is important for you. So children, let's complete it. Take a screenshot, do it in your copy and practice it. So we will be continuing this same topic in our next video also. We will discuss how to carry over 1 to 10s we have already done, 10s to 100 today we have done. Now we will learn how to carry over 1 to 10s, 10s to 100 and 100 to 1000. Okay children, so we will solve tomorrow or learn tomorrow 4-digit addition. 4-digit addition with carryover. Okay children, so till then, bye-bye and take care and complete this work. Take a screenshot and we will meet again. Bye-bye.